Rocky, look up there. No, look. I'm playing Destiny. Look. You don't seem impressed, do you? I'm on my laptop right now, watching a video. None of your business. Rocky, look. No, look, my finger. Look. It's pointing over there. Okay. Rocky, look that way. No. Follow my finger. Yeah? You see my finger? No? It's gonna be a derpy dog, okay? That rhymes. I'm gonna call you derpy dog. Rocky, please. Lick my finger. Come on. I'm not gonna get it. Come on, Rocky. You did it! Yeah, good dog. Good dog. What's that? What's that, man? Seem a bit down. See? You don't like what I do with your nose? No? Okay, you just gotta lie down. You can be like that. Inspect your hair. Look, Rocky, I'm gonna give you an Xbox One controller, okay? Oh, I know. No. I know you like PlayStation. I know you're on PlayStation. You're a Sony pony, right? You're a Sony doggy. Well, no, you're gonna play Destiny for me. You gotta do this. It's only a level 6 raid, okay? No, not a raid. Fuck. It's just a level 6 story, okay? No, don't ignore Roxy. Ignore her, okay? It's just us two. Just us two. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. You don't want to play on the Xbox, no? No, you're gonna walk out? You're gonna go down there? Next to my chair with my... There's a little bit of a room door. Come on. Rocky, come on. What are you doing?